This is the Meerkat here with freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and I'm here to talk to you about a trade we had in the GrokStar Trading Room this morning, and it was on EMC. They're being bought out by Dell, and buyout price was way up in the 30s, but when it opened at like 28 and then continued to fall. Here it was mid-morning. It had a turnaround, and we had traded to the downside, and now we're looking up here, and it's now looking more bullish. It's above the 200 period moving average in the 50, and it's forming what we call a symmetrical triangle. You want to know more about a symmetrical triangle? Just go to our site, good old freeonlinetradingeducation.com, and we have a free chart school there. It says chart school. Press on that, and you get a list here of trading patterns, and this is a bullish pattern here, and we want to go down to symmetrical triangle right there. We just step on it, and here's a picture of it. It's getting tighter and tighter, and if it breaks out from there, the odds are in our favor. It will continue for a while. And here's a written description of it, and here's just some examples of ones that we've had before, and even have a video posted here about a symmetrical triangle if you want to learn about a different trade that I had from it before. But let's look at it today, and it is here getting ready to set up. So right here it's basing just below the 28 even dollar amount. So I set a trade just up above here. Now let's set a trade and let the market come to us, baby. Here we go. And boom, there she goes. And I'm now in at $28.04. I am long on EMC. So let's see, it's going up there, and I immediately set a stop here. And this is actually just less than a 0.5% stop, but what I did, I put it below the 200 period moving average here, and the 20 moving average, and below the 28 even dollar amount. So I got 3 shields down here to my stop. And let's keep watching it here as it goes up. It's going up. I'm going to pull it down here. Ooh, nicely done. Now it's kind of stopped up here. Now I'm going to move my stop up here to break even. I'm at break even right now. It's about a 0.5% up from where I got in. I'm at break even. And here we go. And it's right at also at that 20 moving average. It's pulling back a little bit. Boom, there it goes. Now just did a bull pullback here, if you're familiar with those other ones that we like to play. Now I'm going to take my stop, and I'm going to keep moving it along this 20 moving average here. And now I'm up to the 20 moving average right here. As it pops all the way up to 28.30, and boom, boom, boom. Another mini bull pullback there, and then bam, it started to fall down. And again, bringing my stop here just underneath this 20 moving average, and it comes down to it. Another bull pullback. Boom! Here it goes up to a new high on this run here. Moving my stop up to the 8 EMA here now, because it just, look how far extended away it popped up here, and then it's immediately started to pull back. So I pulled up my stop here, and bam, right there, stopped me out at 28.28. So let's take a look at this whole trade here. We had a symmetrical triangle. It broke out, and I started with a stop about a 0.5% at risk, and as it started to move up, I brought it to zero risk trade. And then it popped up here, a couple of pullbacks, and when it popped way out here, I pulled my stop up a little tighter to the 8 EMA on this 1 minute chart, and then bam, bam, fell right down through it. So this total trade was for 0.8% in 26 minutes. Hey, would you like to learn to trade the Grok Trade way? I can become your mentor. Just go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And here we are on the education page, and we have a series of educations you can take. But I'm going to focus on our 301 mentoring program. That's where you meet with a mentor like myself, and you can do it either online, or you can do it live in Las Vegas, Nevada with us. We have 2 events coming up in October 17, 18, and 19. We'll be live online, which means from the comfort of your own home, we do the training. Or you can go November 14 through 16, be live in Las Vegas. We'll be in a room together with other like-minded traders. So if you want to know more about our mentoring program, here go to Trading Mentoring. And you click on that, it takes you to the mentoring page. Oh, there's a beautiful bunch of folks in one of our classes. And here's what you get with the mentoring program. It's just the beginning of your mentoring with us. You get a 3-day full immersion training. That's where we're going to meet, either online or in Las Vegas. We talk about frequent updates with the Grok graduates. We also give you software, and you get 1 year of the V newsletter, and you have continuous contact with your mentor after this at no more charge. So if you're interested in that, fill out this form here, click submit. Caroline will give you a call and just have a talk with you. No sales pitch, a talk to see if it's appropriate for you to be in our mentoring program. And if it can be a real benefit to you, we'd love to have you in our program. And if you want more information about it, you can read it here, or some testimonials, or I challenge you, go ahead and do online trading education, and just Google that and see what kind of reviews are out there and see what other people have had to say about our 301 mentoring program. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, one of the members of our room today came up with a great quote. It was slow today in the markets, being Columbus Day, and he said this: "It's hard to catch a big fish in stagnant waters." Thank you there, Not a Bear. Trade well.